So if you are in the online marketing space, monetizing your product or service is really very much important. So there are some basic strategies which I used to follow for my clients, and you also can do it for your clients or your own business. So let's begin with the video and tell you what we do for our clients. Okay, so how do we monetize our product or service online? So to monetize our product or service online, there are three important aspects which is really very important for your business, right? So what are those three important aspects? So let me tell you. When somebody purchases your product or service, they have to know you, they have to like you, and they have to trust you. Once these three steps are completed, only then they will purchase your product or service, right? So what do I mean by know you, like you, and trust you? Let me explain you in details, right? So in the know you stage, here the first introduction happens between your product or your service and your customers, right? So in this stage, you have to provide free contents in your social media profile or whatever mode you choose. It may be podcast, it may be TikTok, or whatever you choose for your brand, right? So you have to create some free valuable contents for your audience, right? So once you create that, your know you phase is completed. Once the know you phase is completed, you have to come to the like you phase, right? So in the like you phase, you have to create some free contents which should be valuable in the form of ebook, cheat sheet, free webinar, free trials, and case studies, right? You can choose any of these methods, right? So here you will take their email ID in exchange of that valuable information that you are providing to them, right? And customers will only send their email ID to you once they like you, right? So this is very important stage, right? And then you come to the trust you phase. So in the trust you phase, this is where the actual monetization happens, right? So in the trust you phase, you can sell your product or service, whatever you are selling. So there are some situations when we provide them with the free cheat sheet or ebook, but they do not end up being our customers. That is, they do not purchase the end product, right? So what do we do for our clients in that case? Let me explain you. So let's say we have provided them a free ebook or a cheat sheet, then we got their email, right? So once we get their email, what we do, we push them our lower end product, right? So once they purchase our lower end product, then we push them to buy our middle end product, right? If they purchase our middle end product, then we further push them again to purchase our higher end product, right? Let's say, for example, if we got a lead but they didn't purchase the lower end product, then what we'll do, we'll keep all those lead in a separate email list. And in case, let's say somebody who has purchased the lower end product but they have not purchased our middle end product, right? So for those, we will have one more email list, and again we will be nurturing them through email, right? And similarly, it will be happening for our higher end product as well, right? We'll also be having a separate email list for those who will be purchasing our middle end product, but those who have not purchased our higher end product, for that we'll be having a different email list and we'll be nurturing them through email, right? There are a lot of things which you can do. So in our case, what we do, we provide some testimonial videos and we also send them some link so that they can book a call directly with us, right? And there are a lot of different strategies which you can apply for email marketing. So I'll be creating a video based on that. So this is what you can follow in order to monetize, right? Okay, so if you have got any questions, you can ask me in the comments down below. Thank you for watching this video.